Hello everyone, this is Selena, your teacher in JLPT and for grammar practice. So I know this is what you've been waiting for. Now this is going to be my first vlog in grammar tutorial on mock test practice, JLPT N4. Okay, with no much talking, let's do it. I'm so excited. Okay, this is what we're going to do with Mondai Ichi. 括弧に何を入れますか ?1234 から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。So guys, you're going to choose the right answer that will fit the sentence, okay? So let's start right away. Number 1. 彼は駅の前、友達を30分も待っていた。彼は駅の前、友達を30分も待っていた。So we have choices. These are particles, okay? に、で、お、and わ. Which one is the right answer? I'll give it time. Okay, the answer here is 2, number 2, and that is particle de. Okay, look at this sentence. We have two particles in this sentence, right? De and mo. Okay, but first I'll explain or translate the sentence first. So it says here, he waited. So the subject is he. He waited for his friend for 30 minutes in front of the station. Okay, so this particle there is the place where the action took place, and that is he waited in front of the station. And the particle mo here means a lot of time. Okay, it means that he waited for 30 minutes and it feels it's a lot. Okay, so mo here expresses the meaning that is a lot or plentiful. 30分も待っていた. Well, that is a lot for him. He waited so much for 30 minutes. Okay, I hope that is clear. So it's the answer here is de, and I explained the grammar point here. Actually, there are two grammar points. Okay, the particle de here and the particle mo here. Okay, let's move to number 2. Okay, お腹がいっぱいでご飯を半分食べられなかった。お腹がいっぱいでご飯を半分食べられなかった。Choices are しか、でも、だけ、and にも。I'll give you time. Okay, the answer here is しか。Okay? お腹がいっぱいでご飯を半分しか食べられなかった。Okay? My stomach, I'm so full that I only ate. I was able to eat only half of gohan. Gohan, the meal actually, it means the set meal. So when you have gohan, of course you have other foods along with it. So ご飯を半分しか食べられなかった. Or it could also mean just the rice, okay? The rice bowl. And the grammar point here is しか. Okay, しか is always associated with the nai form of the verb. So しかない. Okay, しかない. And in this sentence, it's 食べられなかった. I wasn't able to eat. Okay, much rice, okay, or much of the meal. But here, しか, with the nai form of the verb, it says that I only ate, okay. 食べられなかった here, this is negative potential form, which means that I was only able to eat half of the rice, okay? Let's go to number 3. By the way, guys, we are dealing with 15 sentences, so please stay tuned until the end, okay? So number 3, we have a mini dialogue. A says, 田中さんの帽子はどれかっこわかりますか？ B says, これですよ。So A is looking for something. Okay? Choices are mo, ni, ga, and ka. I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is か。4番ですね。So, 田中さんの帽子はどれかわかりますか？ So, this is a question phrase, okay? どれか which means which. And わかりますか？ Do you know which one is 田中さん 's hat? 帽子 is hat. This is a very useful way of asking like which one? Do you know which one? どこか Do you know where? Who? 誰か Do you know who? So we have a question marker here and that follows with questions or 疑問詞 like what, who, or where, and do you know? Okay, わかりますか? Okay, I hope that is a clear explanation of this part of grammar. Okay, let's go to number 4. Okay, 道 okay, road. 道、過去、渡るときは車に気をつけましょう。道、過去、渡るときは車に気をつけましょう。が、で、お、に。Which one do you think is the right particle? Okay, the answer is お。3番ですね。道を渡るときは車に気をつけましょう。Okay, the sentence says that when we cross the street, okay, 道 is street, 道を渡るときは this ときは is when we cross the street, we must be careful, okay, with the cars. 車に気をつけましょう。Why particle o? Because we have a movement, okay, and that is wataru. We have the place of movement, which is michi or street or road. Okay, like for example, 公園を散歩する. I will walk in the park. Okay, or 道を歩きます. I will walk in the street or road. So these are movement verbs like 通る which means to pass. Okay, 学校を通る. Okay, I will pass the school. So there's a place plus particle o and movement verb. Okay, I hope that is clear. Number 5. Okay, we have another dialogue and A says, 早く会社に戻ってください。会議が始まります。And B says, はい、2時半まで戻ります。Okay, choices are には、では、にも、でも。Okay, do you have any idea of the dialogue? I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is number 1. So here is ni wa. Okay, please come back early at the office. The meeting will start maybe soon. Okay, so B says 2時半までには戻ります. So the ni here with まで. Okay, says the exact time of when he will come back to the office. So when you put ni with made, it means that you put a limit on that certain period of time. Okay, so 2時半まで, so it won't exceed to 3 o'clock. So you said you'll be back by 2:30. So you set the time with ni. Okay, and this wa emphasizes the following word, which is he will come back. Okay, so 2時半までには戻ります。I'll be back by 2:30. Okay? I hope that is clear. Now on number 6. Okay? A says, すみません。駅まで行けばいいでしょうか。すみません。駅まで行けばいいでしょうか。B says, ここから11番のバスに乗って3つ目のバス停で降りてください。Okay? This is rather a long sentence. Okay? Choices are どうして、どのぐらい or どのくらい、どういう、どうやって。Okay? Time is up and the answer is どうやって。Okay, guys, this is a very useful expression, which means you're asking for an instruction, like here in this sentence. どうやって means how, okay? So, how can I get, okay? How can I get to the station? どうやって means how, okay? どうやって行けばいいでしょうか? You're asking for an instruction on how to get to the station. So, you could also simply say, どうやって行きますか? Okay? This is rather a polite form when asking for an information or on how to get there. Okay? So, this is not a difficult one. This is a simple sentence. Okay? どうやって remember it. You can use it every time, okay? Okay, number 7. Are you still there, guys? I know this will take a little time. A long time, rather. But please stay. Okay, A says, 田中さんはもう帰ってしまいましたか? B、いいえ、机の上にカバンが置いてある、まだ書いていないと思いますよ。Okay. This is a long sentence, right? 田中さんはもう帰ってしまいましたか? Is 田中さん has gone home? Okay. So think of the answer in B. Choices are もの、こと、なら and から。Give you time, I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is から。Okay, so B says he hasn't gone home yet. Why? Because カバンが置いてあるから。So, から means reason. まだ帰っていないと思います。So, I think he hasn't gone home yet. His bag is still on the table. 机の上. Okay? On top of the table. カバンが置いてある. It's there. The bag is still there. Okay? 置いてあるから. Because. Okay? This is not a difficult sentence. The grammar point から means reason. Number 8. あれ? 何かいい匂いね. あれ? 何かいい匂いね. B says, そうですね。あそこにカレー屋さんがありますよ。Okay. Do you have idea? Okay. Choices are になります。2がします。3がなります。4をします。I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is 2がします。あれ? A says あれ? He was surprised. 何かいい匂いがしますね。Okay, here is がしますね。So our grammar is がします。Okay, 匂いがします。So we attach がします with words that express smell, taste, and hearing. It's like saying, I smell kare, like in this sentence, okay? I smell kare. Or if you hear the voice of children, kodomo no koi ga kikoeru. So those are words that tells sensation. Taste, smell, and hearing, or sometimes feelings, okay? I hope that is clear. Okay, number 9. A says, 合格おめでとうございます。B says, ありがとうございます。3回目の試験で、合格することができました。So, this is a happy dialogue. 合格 means he passed something, okay? And that is the exam. Okay, choices are, so I gave you the hint, okay? Choices are やっと、ずっと、きっと、もっと。I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is 1. やっと、okay? やっと means finally. So A greets him, congratulations, and B says, ありがとうございます。3回目の試験で、試験。This day means the scope or the range on how many times he did the exam. And he finally passed the exam. And that is 3回目の試験で. Okay? That's natural. If you fail on the first and second, you try and try until you pass. Okay? And finally, 合格. I finally passed the exam. Okay? 合格ことができました. Okay? So, やっと means finally. And we have the particle de, which means the scope or the range of something. Okay? Number 10. 2歳の息子は最近言葉が話せる。Okay? Choices are ことになりました。Number 2. ようになりました。3. ことにしました。4. ようにしました。I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is number 2. Okay, 話せるようになりました。So, it says here, recently, okay, my 2-year-old son has become able to speak. So here is potential form, 話せる with plus ようになりました which means he was now able to speak words. Okay, so potential form plus ようになりました means before my child can't do much or can't speak much, but now he can speak. Okay, so potential form plus ようになりました or has become. Before he can't do that, now he can do it. Okay, that is the meaning of this ようになりました plus potential form. I hope that is a clear explanation. Okay, like for example, 日本語が話せるようになりました Before I cannot speak that much. I'm not good at Japanese before, but now I can speak. I have become able to speak Japanese. Okay? 11番。私は先月日本へ来たなのでまだ日本人の友達があまりいません。It's a long sentence, right? Choices are から、時、ばかり、こと。Okay? Think of the answer. Okay. The answer is number 3. ばかりね。ばかり。Okay. 私は先月 last month 日本へ来たばかり。So This is a phrase, okay? Oh, this is the expression. 日本へ来たばかり which means I just came to Japan. So bakari means just, okay? This is a time word. I just came to Japan, and that is so, and that is why まだ日本人の友達があまりいません. That is why I don't have much friends, Japanese friends yet. Okay? Amari or amari means not that much. It's a long sentence, but it's not a difficult one. Okay? 12番. Okay? Another dialogue. Tanaka says, ワンさんは日本料理を作ることができるんですか？で、One says, ちょっとだけです。日本語の先生の奥様にです。Okay? かっこです。This is an important grammar. I'll explain later. Okay? Choices. 教えてくださった。教えていただいた。教えたい。教えさせた。The answer is 教えていただいたんです。Okay? So, B says, Wan-san, can you cook Japanese ryori? Okay, dishes. So here, there's also des here. So we use des when we want an information from somebody. And when you give your information or your answer, you will also use des like this, okay? ちょっとだけです。Just a little. 日本語の先生の奥様に教えていただいたんです。So you give the reason, okay? Or the reason on why you can cook Japanese meal. And that is, you were taught, okay, one son was taught by the teachers, his teacher's wife. 教えていただいたんです。ですね。This is a very polite form or kenjogo when you use itadaku or itadakimasu. And this is in te itadaku, in the te form, which means somebody, okay? And that is his teacher's wife who taught him. Somebody taught him how to cook and you appreciate it. And he's thankful for that, okay? So, nani nani te moraimasu, te itadakimasu, te kuremasu, with te and polite form of the verb, it means that somebody did good thing for you and you appreciate it. And as an appreciation, you are thankful about it. Okay? This is rather a long explanation, but I hope you got it. Okay, let's move to number 13. Okay, so we still have 2 sentences, but please stay. Your exam is very near. It's on July 7, and I hope you'll be patient, okay? Number 13. A says, この料理は温かい方が美味しいでしょう。美味しいですよ。かっこ、うちに食べてください。B says, ありがとうございます。いただきます。Okay, so what is the word here? Number 1 is 冷める、冷めた、冷めない、冷めている。Okay, the answer is 冷めない。Okay, 冷めないうちに食べてください。So, A says, this ryori, this dish is, it's hot, okay? 温かい。温かい方が美味しい。It's better to eat this dish when it's hot. 冷めないうちに means eat it before it gets cold, okay? So, or eat it while it is hot. Okay, now on the last 2 sentences, okay? Let's do this. Okay, number 14. あのアパートは部屋も狭い、家賃も高い、人気がない。Okay, this is a long sentence. Choices are she, とか、たり、か。I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is, so we have two answer, okay? She. So, number one, we use she to express the reason why, okay? And we can use she 2 times in a sentence or only 1 time, okay? So here, semai-shi, so the room, that apartment's room is semai-shi, which means it's not spacious. And yachin mo, the rent, takai-shi, which is expensive. So we have 2 reasons, and that's why ninki ga nai desu. It's not popular. Okay, so when we use she, we provide 2 reasons or more. So it means that it has reasons, and those reasons should complement each other. Okay, it means it's related to one another. So if it is a negative reason, both reasons that you will provide will be in negative sense. Okay, so like in this sentence, the room is semai-shi, it's not spacious, and it's expensive. 2 negative reasons. Now on the last sentence, wow, you did well listening to this tutorial, okay? I hope this will help you a lot. That is my only main reason for doing these vlogs, okay? Another dialogue. A says, どうしたんですか?あまり食べていませんね。調子が悪いんですか? B says, いいえ、今日は昼ご飯を過ぎてしまったんです。Do you have any idea of this dialogue? Okay, choice is 食べ to 食べる、食べた、食べて。Okay, I'll give you time. Okay, the answer is 1. 食べすぎてね。食べすぎて。Okay. 食べ I'll write it in hiragana. Okay. 食べすぎてしまったんです。So, the grammar point here is the use of です。Okay. です。Here, です。So, A noticed that B son or B doesn't eat much, and he asked, どうしたんですか? And we have です here, okay? So it means to express of wanting an information or confirmation of what he noticed. And what he noticed is that B doesn't eat well, and I need to confirm if he doesn't feel well. 調子が悪いんですか? So again, です here. So B should provide the reason. So providing that reason of which he ate too much. 食べすぎてしまったんです. There's another です here to complement the question or to give an information or explanation of A's question. Okay, so there's a need for confirmation. So there's a question of why, and you have to answer it with a reason. And that could be expressed by using です. Okay? And 食べてすぎて、ね、過ぎてしまった. Okay. There are, okay, another grammar point. So 食べすぎて means to 食べすぎる, eat too much. And how do we do this form? We have the mas form of 食べる or 食べます, take away mas, and you add すぎる or yes, 食べすぎる. Okay, and てしまう, てしまったんです. So てしまった. You will see these forms a lot of times. Okay, てしまう means to you did something and you regret it, okay? So he regretted eating too much. That's why he can't eat that much on that situation, having dinner or lunch with a son. Okay, that's a long explanation, but because we have 3 grammar points here and I can just explain 1 grammar point. Okay, so we're done with 15 sentences, and I hope you were able to answer the grammar points or the questions ahead of me. You know, I have to explain carefully and clearly so that you could understand. This is N4, so it means that you are just beginning to learn the Japanese, okay, grammar. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll try my best to follow this up soon. Okay, thank you for watching and good luck.